Howdy.
How's it?
So we finally got the box. And we're doing an unboxing in front of you. Okay, let's just get it. Ooh.
Nice. I like the little sticky. Little stickers.
Done it a minute.
Nice.
Smells nice. Smells very nice.
Oh, that is very nice.
Cute little
I like the
stickies.
details with the little
Details
piece
are
of
very
papers.
cute. Very nice. Smells nice. A free little.
Oh,
That's
thank
cute.
you.
Some sheet.
Cute.
Cute. This is cute.
Nice little bag.
This also smells good.
You definitely gave this a spray. Cute.
Cute, my baby.
Those are my favorite memories of us.
Cute. Thank you. Cute.
Cute. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
The presentation.
Very nice. Very good presentation. And the smell is also very cute. Well, obviously, you've seen these before. I'll send you a picture. I'll put them on the fridge now. Okay. You do the honors.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Mel. They're very cute. I'll send you a picture once they're on the fridge.